Ennoda per Gita Ramanan. I'm the CEO and co-founder at Design Cafe. And we started this firm about 6 years back after having 1 decade, 10 years of experience running a design firm. We started Design Cafe because we wanted to get designer homes to the affordable section, which meant we do designer homes starting at 2 lakhs, all the way up to about 15 lakhs. We are headquartered in Bangalore. We started in 2015. And Ipo Bangalore Kapram, we opened in Mumbai, in Hyderabad, and Ipo now the center in Chennai. At Design Cafe, what we specialize in is getting designer homes as per your budget to the affordable section, to our aspiring middle class here. All the materials that we use is absolutely world class, but here in India, not China made whatsoever, which means that every single person who has a budget, who actually wants to get designer homes done, can get that done in their home. We actually offer an industry best 10-year warranty. And the way we're able to do this is because we're completely vertically integrated, which means that we have our own factory, we have our own team that controls the process from design all the way to manufacturing, procurement, and installation at the end of the day. Which means that every single home that we do, all of them, so thousands of homes that have been done, are completely unique, but are stand for quality and warranty. Yes, absolutely. So what we do is hand over a complete home to everybody. So inga EC la enna ninga experience center inga enna paakrel, which is complete home interiors, which include ipo kitchen la wardrobe, TV units, puja units, ungaloda bathroom la vanity units venum. All of these woodwork primarily is what we manufacture, but the designers actually put together the entire solution so that you actually have a complete home and move into. So client vandu packer mover vechu only thunimani ellam pack panni aathkulla varala. This complete home is possible in, depending on the customer of course, with 30 days delivery once design is finalized, right? So design finalized panapram 30 days la in the project site la deliver ஆகுது.
Total cost madam?
So உங்களோட நேம் கான்ட்ராக்டர் கார்பெண்டர் வந்து இது கம்பேரபிள் ப்ரைஸ். கான்ட்ராக்டர் கார்பெண்டர் மேலும் இல்லை. ஸோ நம்ம சென்னைக்கு ஸ்பெஷலாக நம்ம டிசைன் பண்ணி we have a less than 1 lakh kitchen inga, which means that there are 2 kitchens at Chennai which you can get in 90,000, starting at 90,000. So 2 BHK 1,000 square feet, starting price for full interiors is 2.6 lakhs. But then we already have customers signed up where ava 5 lakshamam they will spend, but then all the way up to say 10. Chennai is the first branch nammalodu. We have just opened this, so this is the first branch at Mount Road. We have ipo inquiry nariya varudhu to open one more either in ECR or in OMR. Adu meeting panni paakalam.
Mic and plywood la endha brand you use pannunga?
So plywood actually nammalodu brand number create pannirkom.
One brand?
Yes, because we evaluated ellarum. We worked with green, merino, all of it. But then there is a lot of variation in the size. So we actually worked with a direct sourcer from the northeast, sourced our wood where the plywood is actually with a core eucalyptus core, right? So my laminate lande we actually source a lot of material from merino, for example, but merino kapram we also have material from other brands. Especially COVID number what it taught us, you can't depend only on one. There are still lots of supply chain problems. So we have multiple brands that actually supply these material to us.
Customized.
Okay, so we have over 250 finishes, which means that the designers are so well trained and they're so creative themselves that they can create over 30,000 combinations with the finishes that we have, right? So I've never had a customer who is saying that there is no mera wala pink, my want enakku in the green than venom, I want this yellow. It's all usually possible. Yes. Somebody who wants only white, only wood, you can do all of that here.
Do you have any unique things for your home?
So what we actually specialize in is space-saving furniture, right? So unlike our competition, the other people who actually have opened these tech-enabled interior home solutions, we're the only ones started by designers, which means that ethos, that sensibility is in all of our products. So in every space you'll see we have special space-saving products, right? Which means whether this is skirting drawers in kitchens and wardrobes, which is just unused space normally and just boxed up, right? So whether it is space-saving skirting drawers, how do you actually in really tight kitchens find a space for a wet grinder without it blocking the counter? How do you find space for a breakfast counter without having a large sea kitchen, right? How do you maximize the space in a wardrobe? Can we put an ironing board inside a drawer? all of this technology has been there for 10 years, but nobody has put it together in this category, right? So what you'll see at Design Cafe is really good selection. Orora hardware number path, every 3 months we add to the catalog to make sure Orora city la we have those solutions. So Mumbai la we are looking at 2 BHKs which are 700 square feet, and in that we are able to give them a complete solution where, or even in a studio apartment, the bed is completely against the wall and it functions as a living area during the day, and at night the whole area is collapsed and then you have a bedroom, right? So what we really work well with are space saving furniture, but more importantly the idea is that design is not how things look good, and design is not about can it all be great, right? What Design Cafe focus on is can we give you really good quality that you will never doubt, but it has a space for everything you want in your home. Like you will not think, for example, in every one of your homes, where's your medicine cabinet? But when somebody gets hurt, everybody wants to know where that is, right? But you find a place for that. Where do you make sure that in your bathroom, you actually give nice ledges so that you can store not just toothbrushes and toothpaste, but also a towel, right? Can you have a nice waste disposal and a dustbin? In every room, there is that much thought put into how do we live? Every day, can we save the number of steps that we do? So that is guiding the philosophy on how this is designed, but every designer knows how to do that.
One last question. Modest kitchen, inches 2 years problem. That's why sort of the telescope and inches at all, in 2 years they are gone.
Actually, that's a hinge problem. It is because of the
warranty. How you replace that?
I've never had to replace hinges, and part of it is because of the quality of the woodwork I'm using, right? A lot of times the reason hinges collapse is because it is fixed on MDF or particle board, right? And then obviously both of them don't have enough strength for the hinge to hold on to. Now it can also be really bad quality hinges. Now both of those are not a problem at Design Cafe. We do not use particle board. We are not using MDF, right? We are using very high quality material with hinges that are from Heritage. So while after 2-3 years you might call me to say ki this in the shutter la alignment correct pannana, that's the maximum I've done. I have never had to replace a full kitchen hinges or a wardrobe. Shutter has collapsed. Like a lot of people even now think sliding shutters, the wardrobes, it will come out of alignment. That's the problem. All of these are manufactured and procured.